Most of my friends, when were being asked this question, they might say about a cat, a dog, or a tiger. But I'm quite different because I am really into wild animals. And the most impressive and incredible animals that I like most is meerkats. And they are also related to the cat family. As far as I know, they usually live in deserts in Africa. And they live in groups up to 20 or even 50 meerkats. Each is about 40 centimeters long, not too big though. For them, teamwork is an important skill to help them to survive when many enemies are around. And it reminds me about a saying, many hands make light work. So it's quite true for them. They are able to assign specific tasks to each other, such as some meerkats go hunting, some meerkats watch for enemies, and some meerkats look after baby meerkats. Initially, I used to work in Kenya in a safari park for 6 months doing volunteer work. By chance, I saw this creature, but unfortunately, what upsets me about this creature is that they are listed in endangered species. So I have to say that maybe in the future, our generation will be robbed a chance to see these living specimens living in their natural habitat.